Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Miranda and Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with a plan with me in my mini happy planner. And of course, this is for hashtag Mini Mania Monday. Just a little reminder of last week and what we were working with. I did my tribute to some of my loved ones for breast cancer awareness. And this was that spread. Okay, so this week I wanted to kind of play off of the colors already on the page. So this will look familiar to you guys. I did use this in my planner a couple of weeks ago, and this is a mini kit called Country Chic from Sarah Elizabeth Plans. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, the remainder of this kit. I'm going to try to for this spread. What I wanted to see is because I want to put some washi down, but I don't know. We'll see what I'm going to do about it if I want to cover up the yellow. But I wanted to start, and I think I've covered up the little girls in the corner all week. But that one doesn't say notes. That just really says, like, life is a party. So let me see. For October. Yeah. I've been pretty much covering that up. I'm going to leave that like so. I don't know. I think it's cute, but I do want to... If I bring in one of these, I can bring in some of the yellow, and I could leave that yellow strip on there with no washi. I think that's what I'm going to do. Just cover them up right here. Oh yeah, that's so cute, and it brings in what we need. I'm going to cut the top part of this off. So let me turn that sideways, and let me grab a ruler. And yes, I have the world's largest ruler right now, but it'll do the job. So after looking through various sticker books, I could not find the exact to-do sticker that I wanted, nor did there were any in the kit. So I decided to break out my stamps. So that's what you see me here, my small stamping block, my Memento ink in Tangelo. And then I grabbed a new stamp that I had not used before that says to do. I prime it on the back of my hand, and that aids in getting a good clean impression. And I test it out on a piece of paper right here just to ensure that it will look great before putting it in my planner. I pull it up, and you know what? It looks really good. So I proceed to stamp in the areas where I have those mini checklists on those various days. And then that final checklist there, I'm actually going to move that down in order to put the to-do above the actual checklist. So of course can't get it straight, so I'm taking it on and off. So I decided that I was going to channel my inner Jenny McGarvey, and you know what, just give it a go at the stamps. So here I'm digging for another stamp, and I found one that says I love Saturdays, and I decided to use that Imperial Blue Versa Magic ink you see up there in the corner. Just an excuse to use another color that I thought would look really good with the spread. So it is also a new stamp. So I prime it on the back of my hand. I grab my ink pad, ink it up, and I get a really nice, clean, concise impression. Now, every time, you know, don't get carried away like I did. I got carried away and said, you know what? After cleaning this stamp off, I'm grabbing another one. and I believe it says, but first coffee for Monday. And I ink it up, I prime it on my hand, I use the appropriate size block, and guess what? I did not get a good, even pressured impression there. So the word coffee is kind of squished, but it doesn't look too bad, so I decided to just leave it on there. But I definitely enjoyed using my stamps, and here you'll see the little box that I use to store my inks to prevent them from drying out. I think this was a good move. Well, that completes this spread for Mini Mania Monday for the week of October 22nd through the 28th. We used stamps from Paper Studio. The sticker kit came from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And this is called Country Chic. So I hope you guys have enjoyed planning this with me. And if you did, I need you to do a couple of things. First things, give me the thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed watching the video, or you liked the sticker, or anything. Whatever you liked about it, I need a thumbs up. And then, secondly, if you could leave a comment below and let me know what you liked most. Or if you don't want to let me know what you like most, are you currently using a Happy Planner, or maybe a mini planner of any kind? Let me know about that. Let's talk about it. And thirdly, if you have not subscribed to my channel, absolutely, I would love to have you here. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It's right down there. And then if you click the little bell, it'll let you know when I put new videos up. And if you're one of my A1s from day one, thank you guys. You know I absolutely appreciate the support that you've given me. And then lastly, if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? I'm over there at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and there are definitely things that I post there that I don't put on YouTube. So let's get the full experience. Come visit me on Instagram as well. Well, guys, have a great and productive week, and thank you so much for joining me. Ciao, Bella.